Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new here, go ahead and join us. Go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. Hit your bell notification so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. So it's your girl Valariecoco, and what we're doing today, we are doing a FLEXI rod set, which was requested by some of my subscribers. So I hope you guys enjoy. It is very late, guys, very late. So yeah, as you can see, I am tired. So what you're going to see me doing, I am plaiting. I don't know how to braid, guys, so this is something that I've done this before, but not with the FLEXI rods. But yeah, I'm going to plait the hair down. I'm going to go only so far down, and then I'm going to continue to FLEXI rod it. I am going to, if you notice, I am going to twist the hair as I wrap it around the FLEXI rod. What I'm using on my hair, guys, is just the TGIN. I absolutely love it. And it is a very, very moisturizing cream. So I'm kind of like using it as a setting situation, but it really isn't. It just moisturized. Alright guys, so I'm going in now with the main choice. It's a multivitamin scalp nourishing oil. It actually is a growth oil as well, and it does reduce shedding and it rejuvenates the scalp, and you can actually feel this oil tingling on your scalp when you do use it. It does work. I like it. So yeah guys, this is the final look. It's not completely dry, so I know it's gonna poof up and do exactly what it wants to do, like it always do. So I'm gonna just leave it right here for now. I'm not gonna separate anymore. I'm just gonna let it do what it do, and I'm planning on doing another video for you guys when I come home. So yeah, we'll see what it looks like and we'll go from there. Either we're gonna wear it out and it's gonna be beautiful, or I'm gonna have it up in a ponytail. But for the most part guys, yeah, this is it. I can't even find my pic, and now I know why I don't film early in the morning before I'm leaving the house, because I am now officially late. Yeah, I think it's gonna be cute. It's gonna be big. It'll probably be even better tomorrow, because tonight when I wrap it back up guys, it'll have time to dry, because I did this like really late last night. So yeah, I'm okay with the results. So yeah guys, I will see you guys when I get back. So I'll see you guys when I get back from school. I'm about to go out on my bed, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys. Subscribe if you haven't already.